If you live in a small house and even though you give a rustic touch to the decoration by making pieces from pallets or recycled wood, you have come to the right video. Handmade decorations follow here, but first write to us which DIY project you like to make, have already made some furniture or just small pieces of decoration, we will love to know. The first idea is also the easiest of all, are the niches in the walls that can be made with pallets, with crates, with drawers or even with demolition wood. They are charming and serve to organize any room in the house. And number 2 on our list is the kitchen counter, which can be very functional. It serves as a table and serves as a work area. Number 3 is the shelves. You can make the shelves high, shelves with baskets and even the corner of the cafe. You can do it. I will make better use of every inch of the walls. Idea number 4 is the loft, or hanging beds and built-in beds. Idea number 5 is to take advantage of the underside of the bed and behind it as a storage area. Folding tables can also save a lot of space and are relatively easy to make. The idea 7 is the functional partitions. You can take the opportunity to make a support for plants or even a bookcase. Our number 8 is the sliding doors that, besides saving space, are super trendy. Zero are the ways of using the area under the stairs. It can be a shelf drawer or niches. And lastly, the wall shoe racks. I hope you liked it and like it and share it with your friends, and if you are new here, subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.